in a 9 to 5 job, wondering if you could build something meaningful on the side? What if I told you there is a business model designed for people like us? One that is simple, low risk, and scalable. That's micro SaaS. And today I'm going to show you why it is a perfect fit for part time founders like us. Balancing a demanding full time job and a side project is tough. Trust me, I have been there. Working long hours while running a web agency and experimenting with side hustle, and one challenge that almost always come up: finding an idea. For many programmers, the hardest part isn't building, it's figuring out what to build. You might spend hours brainstorming but still feel stuck, paralyzed by the pressure to find the perfect idea. And it's no wonder picking the wrong idea feel it could mean wastage of time, energy, and even failure. If you have ever stared at a blank page, unsure where to even start, you are not alone. Many programmers fall into the trap of thinking their idea has to be groundbreaking or perfect. But micro SaaS isn't about perfection. It's about finding a small problem you can solve well. Then there is the challenge of finding time between your job, family, and other responsibilities. How do you carve out enough hour to work on something meaningful? When I was running a web agency while working full time 9 to 5, the biggest struggle was carving out consistent time. I learned that it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And that's exactly what makes micro SaaS possible, even with limited hours. And let's not forget the sheer overwhelm. SaaS sound big, complex, and risky. It's easier to wonder, is this even possible for someone like me? That's where micro SaaS comes in. Unlike traditional SaaS, which can require a big team and a lot of resources, micro SaaS is all about starting small. You solve one specific problem for a focused audience. Micro SaaS allow you to maximize the time and skill you already have. It's low risk, flexible, and scalable, making it perfect fit for part-time founders like you and I. Let me break it down. Low risk. No need to quit job or raise capital. You can build on your schedule and at your own pace. You can build a MVP using free or low-cost tool like Bubble, Glide, even Google Sheets. And nowadays there are so many AI code editor that can make things super fast for you. Simplicity. Micro SaaS focus on solving one problem really well. Take Remy AI. It doesn't try to solve every health problem. It focuses on one critical area: sleep. This level of focus is what makes micro SaaS scalable. Scalability. Once you build the product, you can scale it without needing a massive team or resources. The right tools and automations let you grow your audience and revenue without sacrificing your full-time job or your peace of mind. Now let's talk about what micro SaaS actually look like in action. These are tools solving real problem built by people just like you. Let's look at some micro SaaS success story. Example number 1. Card. Card is a platform for creating simple one-page websites. It solves a single problem for people who don't need full-blown website builder like WordPress. It doesn't try to be everything. It focuses on doing one thing incredibly well. Example 2. Nomad List. Nomad List began as a simple database for digital nomads showing the best places for work and live. Peter Level started it as a side project and grew it to a 6-figure business. Number 3, Sugar Free. Sugar Free is a food scanner for people managing sugar intake. It's a great example of solving a specific pain point for a very small audience. Example 4, Remy AI, sleep and health coach. Remy AI help user optimize their sleep and health. It's an excellent example of using technology and AI to provide a personalized insight in a simple, actionable way. The genius of Remy AI is its focus on narrow, impactful problem, helping people sleep better and live healthy lives. You don't need a massive user base to make this model work. And my last example is Mark Lowe. Mark Lowe has built a portfolio of micro SaaS tools. Each one addresses a specific problem, like improving productivity or enhancing workflow or helping you launch your product. These are prime examples of how solving a small problem can lead to big results. Here is why this matters. Micro SaaS isn't just about building a product. It's about building freedom, financial independence, the ability to take control of your future without sacrificing your present. Think about it. With a well-built micro SaaS, you could create an income stream that run alongside your 9 to 5. No huge team, no massive overhead, just one problem solved really well. And I get it. Starting can feel scary. But here's what I have learned. You don't need to know everything to take the first step. When I launched my web agency, I did not know it would work, but I started with one small project and one single client, and it grew. The same goes for micro SaaS. Start small, pick one idea, test it, and let the process guide you forward. If this video resonated with you, hit subscribe to join our growing community of part-time founders. I'm building something meaningful here, and I would love for you to be part of it. And if you are ready to take the first step, download my free 0 to MVP guide. It's packed with tips and tools to help you go from idea to launch. Finally, drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to starting your own micro SaaS? Let me know. I read every response, and your feedback help shape this channel. Bye for now, and in the next video, we will talk about a part-time founder blueprint to build a SaaS application. Bye. Namaste.